Hey, my name is Corey Fluxtra. let me let me clear my throat a minute. Okay. I don't know why there was a cough in there. How you doing? I've been outside this house and I realized something that a bird's nest was on the porch on the wreath of my house. And I think my cat is friends with a bird because the cat is on the porch almost all the time and the bird lays its nest on the porch. So they're both like next door neighbors or very likely roommates, but who knows, really. They're more like, well, it's not really like roommates. I don't know what the fuck's a roommate, anyways. I don't get that around here. I don't know why some houses have that shit. I really don't know. But, this bird laid its nest on my mom's wreath on the porch right next to my cat's chair she sits in. So, yeah, yeah, um, just a heads up. See, this is just a video to clarify that I have a cat and the bird, however, I don't know where that came from. It just flies around places and now it's laid its nest on the porch on top of a wreath. My mom makes these really cool wreaths out of sticks and branches. So, yeah. That's all I got to say.